Baccarat, pair of bamboo vases, circa 1880. The great transparency of the crystal and the four-lobed shape of the vases highlight the fine gold enamel decoration on the surface. Founded under Louis XV, the French crystal manufacturer Baccarat demonstrated its excellence at the universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. The decoration in light relief features long bamboo stems at the edge of the water lily-covered expanse, and branches of Japanese maple on the other side of the vases. The decorations are axially symmetrical from one vase to the next. These Far Eastern species and this surface treatment are in keeping with the fashion for Japonism at the end of the 19th century. The Baccarat crystal works, innovative in their early embrace of Japonism, created a footed bottle between 1880 and 1890 in blown crystal, now in the Musée d'Orsay. Its enameled and gold-circled decorations on the transparent crystal are the result of work identical to that on this vase. Baccarat also designed a vase very similar to ours in shape and technique, with a turtle motif of eminently Far Eastern inspiration.